Hi, this is Betty Wang from Beijing Hongdee Corporation. We are manufacturer for refraction units and instrument tables. Today, I will introduce our model HD3200. Like what you see, this tabletop is for two equipment. One is for auto refractometer. Here you can put the slit lamp. Now I put down the lever and slide. You see, in this position, the power is for auto refractometer. And in this position, the power is for slit lamp. The tabletop can rotate. Now I show you the touch panel. Phoropter on. And the power of chart projector, and also powerful lamp. The chair is going down, going up. And it also can going down. These two charting posts for ophthalmoscope and retinoscope. Here is safety lever to protect the legs of patients. So this is pretty much about our model HD3200. Thank you.